Hi guys, rubber band powered car time again. I was in the garage, my garage, and found I got a bag full of these 8mm fiberglass rods. I think they came from one of those tents where these are held together with springs or elastic with little ferrules so they clip together. And I probably threw away the tent and saved the fiberglass rods. There must be about 20 or 30 of them in the bag. Only needed one. I was actually looking at my Tinkercad files, and I did do a brass car similar to this. It was an 8mm brass tube. That was just, I had to make the holes just over 8mm to accommodate the 8mm brass tube. These are just under 8mm, so I was going to have to reprint it or glue them in place. I thought I'd do a new design. So I've done these so it looks like we've got aerodynamics with fins, or what do you want to call them, front and back. They won't really serve any purpose for the going up and down the kitchen, but it looks good. It looks like we've got downforce front and back. Anyway, I will put a rubber band on it and we'll run it up and down the kitchen, see how it goes. A little break in continuity there, just stopped for me dinner. Okay, so where were we up to? 8mm fiberglass rod, 3D printed, back end and front end, and I've given them a bit of a sort of slope effect for aerodynamics, which will have no effect whatsoever at the speed these run. Hole at the front to connect the rubber band. Could use a bit of string to make up the distance. I've just used, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber bands over the back axle, so it goes over itself. That holds it in place. Wind it up, and away we go. So we'll see how straight it goes. I shouldn't think we need to wind it up very far, so that'll probably do. Well, that's pretty straight. Okay, we'll put the camera down here and see if we can hit it. That works absolutely fine. Pleased with that one. I did notice that fiberglass rod has got a very, very slight bow in it. So I arranged it so the bow went up and down that way, but that could be an advantage if it was tending to go right or left. You could turn it, and that would give the steering a little bit of a turn one way or the other. But as it is, it went beautifully straight. So just a little close-up of the 3D printing. Nothing particularly special. Very simple. If you want me to make the files available, let me know in the comments and I'll put them on Thingiverse or something. The CDs have got 3D printed hubs, and we're using bicycle spokes for the axles. And that's about it. Quite a simple one, that.